cooking.
Hi, my name is Haley Larson and this is my audience. How many of you have pets? Would you ever consider using your companion in a lab test, not knowing if it would harm them or not? Of course not. So why are we allowing companies to use animal testing? I've done a significant amount of research over this subject, and what I have learned that the cosmetic company industries have abuse towards animal testing, you should really truly reconsider about using their products due to the abuse that they consider or do. Today I will be telling you why you should of how animals are abused in labs for product testing, and later explain why you should boycott these companies that continue to use animal testing. Animals are being abused in these labs. Test animals are deprived, isolated, and in misery. As reported by www.PETA.org, Cruelty to Animals in Laboratory, the U.S. laws allow animal testing to be exposed to burned, shocked, poisoned, starved, drowned, and even become addicted to drugs. And these laws don't require painkillers to be given to these animal subjects. Also, there's painful protocols that happen to these animals. As stated by www.navs.org, animals are subjected to experiments by being held from food and water and become dehydrated, or a repeated breeding from infants, and they are later separated from their mothers. Ways that you can help with this: boycott different products that use animal testing. Check if the product is vegan by looking for the Leaping Bunny or any of these other logos. This will tell you if it is certified by the Coalition of Consumer Information of Cosmetics. Also, use cruelty-free products such as Arctic Fox, which is a hair dye, Elf, which is a makeup product, or Bathroom and Body Works. Also, there's the alternative of, according to National Institute of Environmental and Health Science, that you can use the models of computer models or cell-based systems instead of animal testing and still get the same results out of their experiments. And these are all of the calculations of how many animals are being abused according to 2016. Visualize a world where animals are saved and unharmed. According to Dr. Francis S. Collins from the www.PETA.org, 100 million animals per year suffer and die from animal testing. You would be saving them, including mice, rats, frogs, dogs, cats, rabbits, hamsters, guinea pigs, monkeys, fish, and any other kind of birds. And scientists will still be able to try out new products without animals being harmed in the process. Or without your help, animals will continue to be severely abused, and after the experiments are done, if they have not died already from the process that they were put through, labs execute them and dispose of them later. The actions of which you can help: donate to new research. There are so many others out there, like cell-based systems, biological systems, or computer models that can help do the research without the animal abuse. And you can also boycott products such as Benefit, Clinique, and E-Slaughter. Just look for those signs of the Leaping Bunny or any of the other logos. Also, support acts to ban testing. As suggested by www.PETA.org, Animal Testing 101, and www.navs.org, NIH Revisation of 1993, ICCVMA Authorization Act of 2000, and Animal Welfare Acts are excellent acts that will help you stop animal testing throughout the U.S. and other countries as well. If we stopped using these products, you can stop animals from being abused at these companies. Today, I have educated you of how animal abuse in testing labs for cosmetic companies has worsened throughout the years. Then I have explained how you can boycott these companies and how the outcome can be beneficial to both scientists and animals. My final remark is what actions you can take to help these animals. In lines with www.navs.org, cosmetic testing on animals. In 1940, animal testing was instructed to respond to a serious industry in beauty cosmetic products. But in today's world, we no longer need these animal tests due to the ingredients used that are actually recognized as safe for humans. So why do we continue to keep on using animal testing in this world? As you can see, my references are here, and here's my audience.